Hey guys, welcome back to my Dear PyGui tutorial series. In this video, we're just going to talk a little bit about an experimental feature that was added a little while back, but it's not really used. It's not talked about in the documentation. And there's a reason for that. It's not complete, but it's still usable, and that would be docking. So to use this feature, you have to do it before you've started, and you can't turn it off or turn it on during runtime, not at least not currently, but the command is enable docking. And if you run this with two windows, nothing looks different, but if you press shift and bring windows close to each other, you'll see you can actually dock them. Right? So there's there's only two keywords that go with this. The first one is shift only, which is by default on. If you turn that off, what'll happen is you don't have to press shift. Now, why would you want that? If you have a lot of windows and you're going to move something around, these can get kind of distracting. So that's why shift is off by default. But you can kind of see here how this works. And then the final one is dock space. And if you set that equal to true, you'll have a dock space in the actual viewport. See? So, pretty cool little trick. Like I said, at the moment it's experimental. It actually goes along with in the future when you'll be able to pull these windows outside the viewport. But we're not there yet. So, what makes this feature experimental? The biggest thing right now is that you cannot programmatically set up these docking positions, right? So whenever we actually move this out of experimental and it's fully a feature in Dear PyGui, you'll be able to basically use it as a layout tool. So in here, being able to tell the window that basically dock left, dock right, things like that, but we don't have that feature yet. And like I said, we don't really talk about this feature much because we don't want to get bogged down with issues and feature requests related to it. Not at the moment, especially when we know there's a lot we need to do to this to bring it out of the experimental stage. But till then, I'm just kind of giving you guys a sneak peek of something you can kind of play with and just so you know that it's there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a short one, and I'm actually kind of sick right now, so my voice sounds a little weird. But anyway, if you have any questions, either join our Discord, leave a discussion on GitHub, or just leave a comment here. Until the next one, later guys.